Do you have superpowers? Not the ones that we see in movies, but the real ones. The superpowers that my school could have taught me. The superpowers which are very important now than ever and also for the future. Those which will help me to relate with others in positive ways. Those which will allow me to think, imagine, and create. And those which will empower me to achieve my goals. Are you interested to know what are those superpowers? Then follow Hands-on Science Tournament social media pages where we are all set to launch our new campaign called Superpowers of Host. Every week we will reveal and explore one superpower through different experiences. Are you ready to explore the superpowers with us? Then let's get started.